Alvin, bukod ba dyan, may mga nabasa ka ba sa tabloid? Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Hindi ka na namamansin sa tabloid.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, kasi lumabas na parang, kaya daw, hindi na purso yung DNA test kasi parang si Jake daw talaga yung ama ng anak ni Andy.
Well, you know, everything will come. Like, you can't hide everything naman, diba? Like, like, if you have a secret, you can't keep it hidden forever. The truth will always come out. So, diba? Who knows what will happen?
Oh, so totoo yung hindi na talaga kayo nagpa-DNA?
Masyado na kasing time consuming eh. Parang, diba? I'd rather not go through the hassle. You know, like,
Oh,
Do you feel vindicated?
no, not
Why?
really. Because it's all diba? It was all like right now. It's all just speculation, diba?
Mhm.
So I don't know how I can feel vindicated with speculation, diba? So maybe if whatever what's going around is true, and then everyone will hear that. If that's the truth, then I'd be vindicated. You know what I mean? But like, as of now, I don't feel vindicated.
But do you also feel, syempre alam mo pag ikaw yung amay, do you also feel na hindi ka nagulong? Ngayon lumalaki na siya.
There's a lot of emotions, pero I don't wanna touch on what exact emotions.